Hey, what's going on, guys? So welcome back to another Python tutorial. So yeah, if you're a new viewer and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and turn on the notification bell to remain updated whenever I post a new video. So yeah, that being said, let's get the video started. So in this video, we will be talking about Python modules and how they work and what can we do with them. So yeah, first we need to know what Python modules are. So Python modules are Python files which have a bunch of functions and stuff which we can use in our function. They can be inbuilt, meaning Python already has those done, or you can create by yourself, which are called as user defined. Okay, so let's see both of those. First, we're going to see the user defined one. Basically, we will create a Python file, okay, and then we will have a few functions, and then we will call those functions in our main Python file. Okay, so the reason we use Python modules is because let's say you have a big program and where you have a function which you can use in some other programs of yours. So what you can do, you can basically write that Python function in one file, and then you can import that file in all the programs that you need. Okay, so I have here module tutorial.py where I will be writing the function. So first let's write here the function def and add. So this is basically the name of the function. It takes in two parameters, a and b, and as the name suggests, it adds two numbers. Okay, and then it's going to return saying a plus b. Okay, now let's move to our tutorial.py, and here the way we import or call this file is by writing the word import, and then now we're going to write the name of the file that we want to import. So the module tutorial. Make sure you have this module tutorial file in the same folder where you have this tutorial.py, okay, or else it might not work. So once you have this done, now let's call in this add function. So if I write here add and just pass in two arguments saying 6 and 7, and if I run, it's gonna hit an error saying add is not defined. So the reason it's saying this because we do not have this add function defined in our main program, but we have one in this file. So the way we specify that we want add of this file, so we need to write the name of the module and then we need to call that. So let's write a result and then let's store the value in this result. So now the way we call that function in this module or in this file is first by writing the name of the module tutorial in this case, dot, and then we write the name of the function we want to call. In this case it is add, and then here we write the arguments, so 8 and 87. So now it basically adds and then stores here in this result. And now if we write the print statement and if we write here result and if we run, it gives us the answer. Okay, now let's see an inbuilt function which is already inbuilt module, my bad, which is already built in. So the name of the module is random. So what it does, it basically generates random numbers. So yeah, and then let's have a variable named result, and let's call one function from this random module. First we need to specify the name of the module random dot, and the function we want to use is rand range, and then here we need to write the numbers. So basically we need to write the range between which this random would return a random number, so 1 through 500. So it's going to return any random number each time you run from 1 through 500. Okay, so it will be stored here in result. Now print that on the screen with the result, and if I run, 270. Okay, if I run it again, it says 248. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys learned something new, and yeah, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe if you haven't, and if you like the video, please drop a like. And that's it. Meet you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.